Hi everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. I hope you all are well and safe. If you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any update or opportunity from the channel. Also, do install our Online Study for You app. The link for the app is given in the description itself. This app is definitely going to be helpful for you. So make sure to install the app and do subscribe our channel, right? Well, in this video, we are going to solve the sample paper industry and QT questions. So many of the students were asking for the same. So in this video, we'll be doing the same. So the agenda of this video is to solve the industry and QT questions from sample paper, right? So without any delay, let's start with the first question now. So the first question says that which among the following is India's fastest and largest supercomputer? So the correct answer for this one is Param Siddhi AI, right? So what you can do, make sure to watch the complete video so that you can get the idea that what kind of questions are they asking, because the actual paper is also going to be somewhat like that only, and also the topics that from which they are asking the questions in the sample paper. So maybe a case that from these topics, some related topics they can ask you in the actual paper. So that will be very helpful for you. That questions will be very helpful for you. So make sure to watch the complete video. Let's see the next question now. So in the next question, we have that what is the name of the business model which focuses on who are the vendors and ventures customer, what is its product or service offering, and what are its go-to market strategies? So the correct answer for this one is value creation model, right? So value creation model will be the correct answer for this particular question. Let's see the next question now. Next question says that which product of TCS enables software development and delivery teams methods and practices such as Scrum and Kanban? So the correct answer for this one is Jai. Okay. So make sure that some related concepts to TCS also you have to be aware of, because they can ask you from the same in the exam. When I was going through the sample paper, so I saw that some questions they have asked from the TCS related concepts they have asked, like TCS products and so and so. So make sure to just once go to their website, maybe that can work. So just have a look on their products and services they do offer, because maybe a case that they can ask you from that also, right? So let's see the next question now. Quality Council of India was set up in the year. So the correct answer for this one is 1997. The Quality Council of India was set up in the year 1997. Right, let's see the next question. Full form of Tiara. So they can ask you the full form of Tiara, because some question was mentioned there regarding Tiara. So the full form of Tiara is that TCS Integrated Assessment Framework for Assurance. So this is the TCS framework for QA, for quality assurance. So that's why make sure to be aware of the full form and for what purpose it is used for. Let's see the next question. So the next question says that Indian software testing market is expected to grow at what percentage of CAGR from 2019 to 2022? So the correct answer for this one is 0.09. Let's see the next question now. So the next question is that blockchain is a type of, so distributed ledger technology, waterfall SDLC model, or role-playing immersive game network of open data center in every Indian district. So the correct answer for this one is, most of you must be knowing the answer. So that is distributed ledger technology. Let's see the next question now. So which among the following technology uses beamforming? So that is nothing else but 5G. So 5G is the technology that uses beamforming. Next question is that what is the name of digital skilling platform by MEITY? Now, what is the full form of MEITY? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So they have asked the full form. So that's why make sure to be aware of it. Also comment the full form of NESCOM. They have asked the full form of NESCOM as well. And IT industry to make India future ready. So that is the correct answer for this one is Future Skills Prime. Maybe that some of you have done some certification from this platform. So you will be able to mark the correct answer, right? So you can see whatever questions are there, they are related to IT industry or like electronics field or so. So that's why you have to be aware of the You have to be updated what is currently happening in the IT industry and so. So without any delay, let's see the next question. Next question is that what is the full form of OTT? So the full form of OTT is over the top. That will be the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Next question says the Information Technology Business Process Management IT BPM sector of India has contributed a share of how much percent to the GDP of the country in the fiscal year 2020. So although it is 8%, but they haven't mentioned 8% here. So you can take an approximate one. So that is 7.7%. Right. So that will be the correct answer for this particular question. Here's our next question that in the year 2020, in the finance budget, special provision for which of the following technologies were made by the government of the India? So is it Oracle or SAP? Is it AI and quantum computing? Is it search engine and robots? Or is it C, C++ and Java? Well, the correct answer for this one is AI and quantum computing. Let's see the next question now. So in June 2018, NITI Aayog released National Strategy on Artificial Intelligence as hashtag AI for all in line with which of the government policy? So the government policy is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. You must have heard about it. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, right? So this was the government policy. Let's see the next question now. Who coined the term Internet of Things? So you can see this is also related to IT only. So maybe these kind of things they can ask you that who's the father of computer? Maybe. Well, this is a very famous question and mostly asked. So maybe they can skip that one. But you have to be aware of that about these common questions that are asked that are usually asked, right? So the correct answer for this one is that Kevin Ashton, right? So Kevin Ashton has coined the term Internet of Things. Let's see the next question. What is the name for this type of cyber attack where an attacker copies data or installs malware onto a victim's smartphone tablet when the victim connects a device through USB cable to a public charging station that has been modified to play a malicious role? So that is nothing but juice checking. So this is the practice that is mentioned here is known as juice checking, right? Next question is that in relation to IT industry, what is the full form of SMAC? So the full form of SMAC is nothing but so the full form of SMAC is Social, Mobile, Analytics, and Cloud. Analytics and Cloud. Right. Let's see the next question now. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of India? Well, that's a very famous question, and most of you must be aware of that. So that is Bangalore. So Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Let's see the next question. You have a highly sensitive document which you need to email to a trusted third party. What is the safest way to send this? Well, let's go through the options first. So first, scan the document with an antivirus software and then send it. Send the document from your email account only. Encrypt the document first, then send the password to the third party using a different communication method. Send the document using a file sharing application. Well, here you can see that they have mentioned sensitive documents. So for sensitive document, it means that it is some very like we have to manage some kind of security because it is some kind of confidential document. So according to the given options which you will go through, so this is the option that is talking about security, encryption and all. So that will be the correct answer for this particular question. Here's the next question that what is the full form of BPM in IT industry? So that is Business Process Management. So you can see they have asked many full forms and in the actual exam also they'll be asking. So make sure to revise the full forms that we generally use in the IT industry. Next question is that which among is the main activity of NIXI, that is National Interchange Exchange of India. Remember this full form as well. That may be a case that they can ask you as if they have given a question from this particular thing, right? So the correct answer for this one is managing and operation of in-country code domain and IDN domain for India. Here's our next question that in relation to software technology parks of India and special economic zones, which statement is not correct? They offer single window clearance for unit setup. Well, that is correct. SEZ do not function as free trade zones providing companies with special economic liberties. Well, that is wrong because they do function, right? So as if they're asking that which statement is not correct, so this one is not correct, right? So the correct answer accordingly, because they are asking not correct one, so that will be the answer. Next question is, under which ministry the Software Technology Parks of India was set up as an autonomous society? So that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, right? I have just discussed you about this. So this is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So in which year the Software Technology Parks of India was set up as an autonomous society under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology? So that is the year 1991, right? Options will be provided to you. So if you are thinking that options won't be there, so options will be provided to you. Here I haven't included the options, but they will be there. But make sure that you're memorizing all the things properly, so there is no such confusion during the exam, right? Here's our next question. The process of estimation of changes in the price level of a basket of consumer goods and services that households purchase is called as, so that is known as Consumer Price Index. The answer will be Consumer Price Index, right? So let's see the next question now. For online transaction with credit cards, which among the following is the principal communication protocol? So which protocol do we use for online transaction with credit cards? We use Secure Electronic Transaction Protocol, right? So SEP is the correct answer. That is Secure Electronic Transaction. So here they're asking that which of the following is an incorrect statement. So here you will see that the first statement is itself incorrect. Here in the first statement, they are saying that Scrum teams does not require estimation, although Scrum teams require estimation, and in Kanban that is optional. But they are saying that Scrum team does not require estimation, whereas Kanban does. So that is an incorrect statement, and rest statements like Scrum requires specific roles, whereas Kanban has no required role. So that is correct. And a Scrum board is reset after each sprint. A Kanban board is continuously used, so that is also correct. And a Scrum team is cost function, that is also correct, right? So according to the given statements, the option like this first option will be correct, that it is an incorrect statement. Let's see the next question now. So next they are asking that which company employs programming contests such as Testimony, Nginx, Game On, and Code Vita. Well, for this question, I don't think that anyone need any kind of option, because TCS is itself the correct answer for this particular question. So TCS organizes all these programming programming contests for hiring the talent, right? Here's the next question, that which among the following is the co-founder of Infosys? So that is Nandan Nilekani is the co-founder of Infosys. Next question is that in June 2019, Mindtree was acquired by which company? So that is L&T. So L&T has acquired Mindtree in June 2019. Next question is that in 2018, Vodafone India merged with which company? So in 2018, Vodafone India merged with Idea, right? So that will be the correct answer. In ITES, E stands for, well, E stands for enable, but you should be aware of the ITES full form, ITES. So the full form of ITES is Information Technology Enabled Services. Enabled Services, right? So you can just note it down and make sure to memorize this one. Next question is, so see, they are asking the full form of NASSCOM, and that is your homework. You can say you have to comment that what is the full form of NASSCOM, and also make sure to memorize it. The next question is that blockchain product Quartz is owned by which of the following company? So you must be knowing that this is nothing but TCS. So TCS is the company which has owned the product Quartz, right? So this is it for this video. I hope you understood all the questions and you have now got some idea that what sort of questions they are mostly asking. Mostly they're asking about full forms, and so mainly some questions are related from the TCS itself. So if you are having a good knowledge of TCS, so you will be able to solve them. And they're asking about CEO, co-founder, and so these kind of questions are there. Some questions belong to Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology as well, like the schemes that were launched for in the field of IT industry for further development of the youth. So these kind of things you have to be aware of for the proper preparation of the industry and QT. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and share this video with your friends as well who are having in QT in upcoming days. So all the best, guys. Be safe. Keep preparing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.